EAS.sky warning. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bryan County, Western Chatham County, South Central Effingham County, Northern Liberty County, until 6:15 p.m. and 5:05 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms along the line extending from Mellabelle to 7 miles northwest of Hinesville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Prepare now for the following hazards: damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, half-dollar-size hail. Some locations in the warning include Meldrum, Ellabelle, Hinesville, Bloomingdale, Fort Stewart, Interstate 16, Interstate 95 Interchange, Pooler, Garden City, Savannah Airport. Report hail, down trees, limbs, and power lines directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Liberty County. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until